Are you looking for the best flip chairs in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best flip chairs that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability, and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. At number 5, Kids Sofa Hayes & Harper. Modernize your home with the most wide-spaced sofa in the market, the Toddler's Sofa by Hayes & Harper. The couch by Hayes & Harper has a removable back seat, and it has a great recline. Don't worry about the tantrum created by your toddlers, as this sofa is made from high polypropylene density that can withstand tear and wear. And additionally, there is a child safety zipper that does not allow the toddlers from unzipping. The cover of the sofa is removable and is machine washable. This child safety product by Hayes & Harper has undergone all safety tests and is safe on all terms. At number 4, Studio Chair of American Furniture Alliance. You can opt for this flip chair by American Furniture Alliance if you are looking for fitment with functional space. It dramatically saves up some space with its versatility that can be transformed into a sofa or a sleeper couch. As an add-on, there is a bolster which has a dual roll of backrest or headrest pillow. The sofa is made from cotton, allows a new range of comfort. Fill your space with fun and memories with this masterpiece that lasts at a test of time. They come in 3 different black, pink and blue colors. At number 3, Floor Chair NNEWVANTE. The flip chair by NNEWVANTE is a cute and sleek-looking addition promoting excellent back support. It is extensively versatile, adhering to the purposes of the user. They have an elegant style and an impressive finish. 3 adjustable angles serve as tremendous back support. The padding is very flexible and soft that can accommodate from kids to adults. This flip chair is foldable and contains a washable cover. It is water resistant and does not fail to prevent your spine and cervices from getting pained. At number 2, Flip Sofa and Chair Fun Furnishings. Most of the flip chair seekers might also want to choose a perfect fitment that will also complement their toddlers. Here is the right fit for you. Meet this flip chair by Fun Furnishings. They will substitute all the needs of comfort. The sofa has a soft and durable upholstery. The cover of the couch is easily removable and washable. This package comes with an impressive price and quality to alter your needs. At number 1, TriFolding Flip Chair Olee Sleep. The flip chair by Olee Sleep is trendy in the market as many users much prefer it. You can fold it up for proper back support or fold it out for extra seating. It has good thick foam that is smooth and comfortable. This flip chair is an excellent fit for travel and camping purposes as they are very compact. You can experience comfort while sitting for long hours as they tend to protect your neck and spine from stress. They come in 2 dashing blue and gray colors for you to choose from. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you like this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe.